welcome back to the channel, PnwRcMadness. We'll make it really quick, short, simple. I just want to show you guys the 5 biggest upgrades that I believe that you can do to your XMaxx. So here is my XMaxx. Currently, we have the snap-on van edition body on here. So we'll get that thing taken off and we'll start with the first thing that I think you should do to your XMaxx right when you get it. And why. I'll give you some explanations of why. Give you a little bit of a rundown on how long I've had this truck, what's been done to it, why I do what I do to it, all that good stuff, so you can keep your truck in tip-top shape, just like me. And guys, don't be afraid to run it. So we won't be running this thing, but yeah, we'll be right back. We're gonna get the body off and check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Right? Like, come right in. See? Anyways, we'll get this thing off and we'll just dig right in. So here we go. All right, sweet. So we made it back. Now check it out. I know it's a little bit bruised and beat up and nicked and damaged. Don't mind the tailgate. I just put this body on the other day. Oh, the lights don't work. Anyways, so this is a Proline body. It is the Proline Brute right there. So it's super hard, super dense material. Like, I don't know what it is. It's plastic, it feels like to me. This has been bashed on pretty good, I guess. I don't know how close we can get. You know, there's a spot right there where it's kind of wearing through. And on the roof, you know, it's not really wearing through yet because it is super thick. These are the stickers from the factory body kit from Proline. And then I went ahead and just added a couple of my own, which will be leading up to number 2 upgrade, which a lot of you all might get a little, you know, on the offense of what is number 1 or number 2, but this is number 2 for me, guys, the Hobbywing. So we'll dig right in there. But for now, I do strongly suggest upgrading to this body. It is excellent. It is about $120, I believe. I'm not sure. I've had it for quite some time. So anyways, moving on to number 2. Let's take a look. Yep, alright, so let's get this bad boy off. Oh, subscribe. Please do. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Now, let's just, we'll zoom right in. And this is what I'm gonna consider number 2 upgrade for this truck. Definitely recommend this as a really high quality upgrade, and I'll tell you why. So when I got this truck, I only had it for about 6 months, and if that, maybe 4 months, and I was out in a field bashing around. Yeah, let's get in there. You see that? Fits in there nice and snug. See that HW? So yes, this is the Hobbywing Max 6. And it is powering the stock motor. Oh, we'll get to that in a minute. Oop. Anyways, back to the back to the ESC. So when I first got the truck, I was running it in a field. It wasn't too hot. I think I had pants on that day. Definitely wasn't hot outside. So my stock ESC decided to catch on fire, and from there it burned up my batteries. Both batteries, actually one survived, the other one got burned up. Too bad. And long story short, anyways, definitely want to upgrade your ESC to a Hobbywing or whatever it is that you would like, just so you do not burn up your truck. Hobbywing Max 6 fits in there perfectly, runs stock motor, stock gearing. For now, I actually just ordered a GDS. We'll get to that. So there we go. Check out the truck. Just put a wrap on it. So number 3, we got the fan. You definitely have to get a new fan. All right, so the fans break. Like, actually this fan broke already. It's not working, but my motor's not really getting too hot. So anyways, upgraded the fan. Number 3, definitely need a new fan because they always break. Now this is running just off of a single 3S battery. Give me a second and we'll plug it in, and it will want to blow your socks off. So let's check it out. Alright everybody, check out this fan. Just want to plug it in. All we're using is this Turnigy Nanotech. It's a 850 milliamp 25 to 50C discharge battery. I believe this is a JST plug. I just soldered up, or this one came stock like that. I'm not sure, Hobby King or something or other. Okay, and then I just ordered this fan off of Amazon. Can't remember what it is, but I'll post the link below. And it spins about 27,000 RPMs per minute, so it's pretty unbelievable. The only thing about it, you have to get a cover, but the blades are actually very stout, and I don't want to put my fingers in there because they're definitely not like the stock fans. So without further ado, let's plug it in and let you listen to it. So here we go. Plug it in. Alright, so check it out. This is the fan. I just made a little bracket. Alright, there she is. This is number 3. Number 3 upgrade for your XMaxx right there. Get rid of that stock fan. Make yourself a little, zoom in here. Alright, so that's a little better. We got it turned off. Thing's loud, super loud. But what I wanted to get at was, it's not carbon fiber, that's just a piece of, it's kind of hard to see in this light we got here. We're actually filming in the garage. Anyways, that's just a wrap, a piece. But I just made myself a little mount, just out of 1/8 steel by, I believe that's 1 inch, yeah, 1/8 by 1 inch steel, or aluminum. Got that from Home Depot. And you don't need this bottom washer, but made a little mount, cut out a little circle in the middle, because the fan's spinning in a circle. There we go. Got a little 3D printed mount like I was saying a minute ago. There's this side. Check it out. There you go. You can see the carbon fiber a little bit better in the light. So that's number 3. That's number 2. And the body's number 1 so far, in my opinion. Take the stock body off and just save it, sell it, get rid of it. And we're moving on to number 4. Alright, we're back. So number one, stock ones break a lot, and these actually also back out. But this is the main reason why I like this upgrade, is because you get this, you get the bigger rear bearing, and the axle bearing goes on the hub right there in the back, and then you just use your stock bearing out of your truck, because it doesn't come with two bearings, I don't believe. It just comes with the one bearing. But yeah, so that's the RPM rear hubs. That is upgrade number 4. Alright, so for the last upgrade, top 5 upgrades for your TraXXaS XMaxx, I choose battery trays. Yes, stock TraXXaS XMaxx battery trays come undone. Alright, so what you do, you go out and you order yourself a set of battery trays. Just, you can get either carbon fiber like I chose, check that out. I'm not sure, I can't post a link to those because you can't get them anymore. But if you go and you check out my channel, I have a link for some other carbon fiber trays for my Max. Guys, that is number 5. Okay, we'll get right in here in a second. Check it out. Alright, so Velcro straps. You got 2 straps on each tray. Alright, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but those are actual carbon fiber pieces, and they're slotted with 4 slots. So we got, see if we can zoom in on that. Anyways, you can see there, oh, there's a slot, there you can go, there you go. So 2 trays, and then we got Velcro, okay? This sucker is not going anywhere once you put that battery in there. Alright, 2 straps, strap her down, and you're good. Now, I said in the beginning of the video I was going to explain to you why I like stock. Okay, I like to emphasize just running stock, although I am going to upgrade my motor because I feel like the TraXXaS XMaxx 8S motor needs a little more grunt. Just not happy with it, so I think I'm going to upgrade that. But please do follow along future videos. Maybe I can make a video on how I made that mount. But there we go. If you do like this video, please do leave me a like, and do leave me a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe for more, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay happy, keep bashing. Right on, guys. I'm out.